Hello, this is the first tutorial and the terminology is video 1, GLB, GLTF, export. It's very important export correctly the GLB, GLTF model because there are some problems that we can improve in the model and upload very good. We need to upload very good, and this is the tutorial perfect for you. This is the model. I think this part record resize, and the thing is this is the if you want to do a opacity and transparent map, for example, this is important that in shading, for example, is important opacity, the opacity map with alpha is very important. This is untitled 2 and this is untitled 2 and there are opacity, and we can put in base color and alpha with the opacity. And other thing is very important, put this material properties, and it's very important that alpha blend and is very important, and opaque, alpha clip, you can change the perfection of the model with the opacity. It's very good, and it's very good to export because in the render the opacity it's good, but in the export it's very important put this option, and it's important the thing the render engine use cycles when you want make the shadows. If you will, if it's important make the shadows if the program need with push to 8 wall, for example. It's very good. Bake the shadows, you can choose cycles, and in bake use bake, and the model there are put if you think if you there are the UV maps, put yes, and it's very useful. And the GLB GLTF export is very important, put this GLB GLTF, and the modifications and this is very important that this is put this is very good, and you can put the name for example, and it's important GLTF binary GLB because the textures is inside the model, and it's very easy to do. Is binary GLB is this, and include this is good if you want selected object, but it's not important. This geometry and animation if you want. I put this, but it's good. And if you can export, it's good. You move to white, and then if you don't know where is the model, it's easy because you can do this, or very easy, export GLB GLTF, and then copy this, copy this, and this you can do Explorer, and then you can do this, and if you know is this, and then the opacity is very good,